No, I don't know what that is. I don't even think that's a real thing. Okay, yeah, I know what your mom said, but you actually think that's real. Oh, hey, it's a winner. Yeah, my ticket. Oh, my car's full. Okay, I gotta go. Yeah, just whatever you do, don't buy it, okay? All right, bye. Sorry. Speedy Deliveries, personal pickup and delivery. This is Stan.
Who's Stan?
I'm Stan.
You're the one making the delivery?
Yeah.
Okay, 2070, East Waverly. Don't be late.
Great, thanks for calling Speedy Deliveries, personal pickup and Hello?
Victor's waiting for you.
Okay. If you could just sign here at the bottom, please. There.
What is this?
Oh, it's just our standard delivery form. If you just sign right here at the bottom, it's all pretty standard.
You're Stan?
That's
You're
me.
sure you're the guy?
I'm the guy. Thank you. Good one.
This kid is strange. Make sure the package gets delivered.
Nice work on the pickup, Stan.
What's going on?
We're in the middle of something pretty big here. Just a second.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Oh no. No, don't get him. Don't get him.
Okay, let's go over the plan. I get it. You need a second. Looking for this?
We swapped phones at the gas station. I should have been the one that got the call. It was my op. I would offer to take it from here, but they've already seen your face. Do you mind if I have some of these corn nuts?
Go ahead.
We should probably get going. They'll be expecting you.
Okay. Okay. So, I go in with the package, and then I, distract Victor, and then you sneak in, and then we, bam, take him down, right? Yeah, I could do this. Yeah, I can't do this.
Stan, look at me. Look at me, Stan. You can do this, okay?
Okay.
You can do this. And if you don't, no, you can do this. Just act natural.
Right.
Yeah, just natural. Just remember, whatever you do, don't let him open the package,
Okay.
okay?
Hello? BD Deliveries with your package. Hello? Speedy Deliveries with your package?
It's finally here. Now everything is in place.
I'm gonna have to get you to sign for that.
Give me this. Hand me a knife.
It's okay.
What do you think?
We're all ready to go.
But
Make sure these two don't get in the way. My apologies in advance for the headache.
where are we?
1, 2,
Head is pounding. What are you doing?
almost there. Alright. 50 miles an hour. I don't know how long we've been out. Dry blood, minimum 30 minutes.
Hey, get me out of this. They're heading to Chicago.
What?
The Chicago Board of Trade. I went there on a field trip. He's got plans of it all over his office. They're gonna crash the market.
Stan, you're a genius.
Well, I guess you can call me that.
Let's go.
So, what are we gonna do when we find them?
Let me tell you about my first stop. It was my life or my country's safety. But I remembered something my father said, something I'll never forget.
I think we found them.
So, the one rule you never forget is...
It is too late, my friends.
How did he see us?
Justice is never late. Hands off the device, Victor.
Do you think you can stop me? I will throw your world markets to chaos. Chicago, New York. Your capitalism, poof. Communism will rise from the ashes. Take me to the max.
I've got the device. You get Victor.
Drop the ticket, Stanley. I know much about you, and I know much about scary people too. Just drop the ticket and walk away. Do you really want to risk your mother's life?
How do you expect to get anywhere without... this?
I will end you!
My apologies in advance for the headache.
We did it!
No, you did it, Stan. And if you ever leave Speedy Deliveries, feel free to look us up at the agency.
You really think I could do it?
You can do anything you want, Stan. Now come on, we have one more delivery to make. Let's drop this guy off at the station.
Oh, I almost forgot. Here's your phone.
Oh, you keep it.
Really?
No, I'm actually gonna need